Okay, so for Video Journal 8, for writing some of the challenges that are different with dealing with audio and video. I actually think it's easier to deal with video because you can pretty much paint the picture. Like if you see it in your head, you don't have to, you can visualize and describe and or use photos or drawings, anything to get it out of your head. Then when you have to, you know, use a commercial that describes a feeling or shows how something works on radio, you have to go in depth. You have to use keywords. You have to, um, you have to make the audience grasp what you're saying through nothing but words. But with video, you have that people can see what you're explaining, and it gives them a better idea of what you're going for, and you can pinpoint exactly the target audience even better when you show exactly who you're talking to. Because sometimes when you're just talking about it on radio, it may get misconstrued. But either way, I think they're good in both perspectives of their own. So it works as long as you know what you're doing for both.